meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, I plan to have a graphic with all the area's snowfall totals from our spotters later this evening as soon as all of the light snow stops. But thus far, I've had reports of well over a foot of snow here in our northern counties and drifts of up to 9 feet. In fact, I had a report from Cass County that a lot of the plows can't even get through the roads out in the country, and some are getting stuck because it's so deep from the blowing and drifting. Lafayette area, we're here towards the Flora and Peru areas, about 6 to 9 inches of snow and sleet, and a little less as you head southward, and a lot less down in the Indianapolis area. That was pretty much a glazing ice and sleet event. Now, there's the big storm pulling away. Again, we had that period of snow this morning with what we call the trowel wrapping around it. That's pulling off to the east now. We still have some scattered snow showers around here and a little lake effect here in our north, but you get the trend here. Notice how everything is starting to wind down and the winds are starting to wind down as well. So the main weather story from here on out is the brutal cold. Now notice the moisture right here coming out of the Gulf of Mexico and this little upper low over here in New Mexico. Now this could bring not only snow to Houston, maybe Corpus Christi, but also near New Orleans and bring an ice storm to the deep south over the weekend. The reason why I'm letting you know about this is this southern area is going to be really active. And we've got a storm down here in Texas that'll move northeast next week and may bring some snow to our area around about Monday or Tuesday. That bears some close watching for us. Okay, notice on our RenCam now. Again, temperatures running in the lower 20s, 23 Winamac, 23 Monticello, and 21 here in Lafayette. The wind chills, single digits, even 2 here at Frankfort. Feels like 11 at Lafayette. All right, noticing the outlook here as we head through the evening, the wind diminishing, the brutally cold air arriving, skies will clear. We've got 2 nights below zero, 1 tonight, 1 tomorrow night, and we could have some wind chills, especially tonight, down to 20 below zero. And at 20 below zero, that means frostbite will set in at about 25 minutes on exposed skin and then turning warmer. We'll be back into the 30s by the weekend, but again, a winter weather event possible early next week. Lows tonight, though, -7, Fowler and Pence, -9 at Morocco, 4 below Lafayette, Monticello, Burlington, Frankfort, -3 here at Rochester, -8 at Kentland, and -4 at Colfax, West Point, -5 Chalmers. And despite wall-to-wall sun tomorrow, it'll be tremendously bright. Remember your sunglasses with all that snow around. 9 Winamac, 10 Monticello, 11 Lafayette, 13 Crawfordsville. And there'll be a wind up to 15 miles per hour, keeping those wind chills around zero, if not a little below that. So overnight tonight, the clouds gradually breaking up here and pulling away. That's what will make that temperature drop big time. And notice tomorrow, boy, really cold, but a nice looking day, bright, a lot of sunshine, good looking out there. Again, with those very cold high temperatures. Tomorrow night, skies clear. That's going to make for a very cold night. We could have some places drop to 15 below up here in our northern counties by tomorrow night, and no clouds will even start to arrive in here until we get towards Friday and the weekend. So the snow ending, skies will clear, the wind will diminish, 4 below zero for the low. Winds around 10 miles per hour will drop that wind chill. Again, 15 to 20 below, mostly sunny, very cold, only 11 tomorrow, and a wind up to 15 miles per hour, but at least the sun will feel good. But again, sunglasses will be a necessity. Then it starts to warm up. In fact, we may even hit 34 as we get towards Monday. However, later on Monday, especially into Monday night and Tuesday, that's got the potential to be an accumulating snow. We got to keep a close eye on it, and then turning colder again next week. In fact, by late next week, we could have highs back down into the teens. Again, a long, cold, snowy February on the way.
Okay, well, we are almost out of it, but thank you, Chad, for that. And we want to thank everyone for sending us these great photos that we've gotten on our My Report.
Yeah, we've been talking about that all week. Just a few of our favorites that we got today. Picture number 1, this one's from Mitzi Reisner, living in Jasper County between Remington and Goodland.
Picture number 2 here from Casey McCool. Yeah, right there, person riding a unicycle near campus.
And Jared Harder sent this from Monticello after shoveling some snow.
Yep. And Logan Moore had this great picture of the snow falling there in Lafayette last night.
And this one we want to take a look at is our last one, Vanessa Kraft. This picture was taken outside Vanessa's house on the staircase. Thank you for that. Little WLFI etched in the snow.
Yeah, if you write WLFI in your snowman, you're going to be sure to
You
get
might
it
make it on
right?
TV.
For sure. Everybody, thank you, and you can continue to submit photos and videos through my report at WLFI.com. Well, what's one of the worst things that can happen